What's going on, YouTube? We Hustle Daily. Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another auction video, man. Today we at Manheim. I know you hear the ruckus in the background. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let's go ahead and get right into it. See what these prices go for today at Manheim.
Now 16, now 17, 18, 19, now 2, now 1, and 21, now 11, now 30, now 11, 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 now 1, and 25, now 11, now 6, now 11, 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 now 12, and 12, now 11, now 12. He's in 16, 17, take it out, and 17, 16, 17, all in on 6, take it out, please. 5 in, now 600, and 600, last call, guys, now 7, and 7, 11, 77, last call, 76, 7, 77, yes, no, now 11, 11, 11, now 11, 11, 45, 86, now 7, now 11, 11, now 11, 11, now 11, now 4, now 5, and 10, 5, now 600, now 11, now 7, 11, 11, 7, and 6, now 7, 11, now 11, all in? No. You want to be 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm tired of you shaking that big head of yours. 68, 9. All that 2, on number 3. Let's spin on number 200. It was about 65. He ended up 79, 71, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 73. He ended up 300, 400, 3, 4, 5, 75. He ended up 22, 23, green line, 33, 21.
Stop the car. We're not looking again. 99 miles, 79,000 miles, 2,000, 2,100. Why? Is the car running? Yeah, 15, 1,600. 1,500, 1,500 down. 1,500, 17, 17. Worst thing I can do is pull the trigger right now. The smartest man in the house has got the bid on the car. Give me 1,700. Anybody else? 1,600 bucks and she'll sell it. You made a day's work. 1,600. Well, 13, 14, 15, 1,500, I'm on 16,
All right, guys, auction is over. Now, I didn't buy a car, but my boy got a car. 1999 Volkswagen Jetta, 168,000 miles, guys. He got this bad boy for 600 bucks. Came out to 770 out the door. 1999. You guys, let me know what you guys think about it. Doing a full walk around real quick. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. It's nice and clean on the inside. Let's see what we got. Pop the hood.
Whoever had it, like, took care of it.
All right. Little 4-cylinder 2.0, guys. Doesn't look that bad.
No, I don't.
Just clean the motor up right here. Little valve cover, real quick. Little dirt.
A little bit long oil, look like. Need some oil.
A little low.
A little low.
Okay.
Not too critical. Coolant look like we got coolant, right?
See what the coolant look like.
It's on minimum. It's good.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get on the road, guys.
Good, man. Let's
See what we got.
might be a good little deal.
Check it out, guys. Stick shift and everything. Looks like something happened with the little center console here, but we're about to see how this bad boy drive, guys. Got that initial start, guys. See what we got here. You guys remember my video from yesterday? They got these little things here.
I know, dude. Take a look at those.
They're gonna take it out when you go to the yeah, you gonna go that way. We'll see how this bad boy ride, guys. Stick shift here.
Dang. The mirror. Oh no, it's me.
There we go.
Get these things a little bit. Oh, there you got the
All right, guys, we're on the road. About to pull this bad boy out. I'll let you guys know when we pull out the gate. All right, guys, we are pulling back to the front, man. Bad boy seemed like it's riding good, no overheating or anything like that, guys. You guys let me know what you guys think about the price. 770 bucks, guys, for a 1999 Volkswagen Jetta with 168,000 miles. We're pulling back around to pick up the Malibu, and we're gonna go ahead and get on the road, guys. So I'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, guys, here's a better view of it. Just wanted to show you guys a walk around Jetta GL. 770 bucks. What you guys think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but we're about to go ahead and get on the road. Just like that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think about the price that my boy paid, 770 bucks. Coming to y'all with uploads every single day. It's your boy Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace.